Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by routing the source into the distressor and returning it to your console or DAW. Make sure phantom power and pads are correct. Set a conservative 3:1 ratio, attack around 10 milliseconds and release near 0. 5 seconds, then bring input up until you see 2.4 dB of gain reduction on peaks. Once you have that, choose the mode. Opto for smoothness, FET or Nuke for more color, so you hear the basic compression shaping before moving deeper. Now refine how the distressor reacts. Shorten attack to catch transients or lengthen it to let percussive hits breathe. You'll hear clarity change fast. Once done, tweak release time so gain reduction breathes with the track's rhythm, faster for punch, slower for sustain. Make sure to use the sidechain high-pass filter when low frequencies cause unwanted pumping. Also compare modes and use the harmonic or distortion controls subtly for presence. Make small moves and listen between each adjustment. Finish by matching output level with the makeup gain and perform an A/B comparison so you know the compressor is improving the sound, not just loudness. If you hear harsh distortion or pumping, reduce input gain, lower the ratio, or move to a gentler mode. Double-check cabling and gain staging to rule out clipping before the unit. Finally, save or note the controls that worked. Keeping those presets per instrument will speed future sessions and give you consistent results.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.